In today's video, we are going to show you how to create a demo account on PO Prime, which is perfect for beginners who want to practice trading without risking real money. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. The next step is very important. For you to be able to create a demo account, you need to have a level 2 verification. Now, as you can see in my account, I have a pending verification. So all I have to do at this point, if you are also in the similar situation, is complete the verification process. Okay? And then once you've done that, you would be able to create a demo account by hovering to the left side area of your navigation. Click the accounts, and then there is a drop-down menu here on the accounts. You can choose from a live account, and of course, if you have a demo account, just click on it right here, and then click the open account. And what will happen if you click that button? A new window will appear, and all I have to do is provide all the information needed. You can choose a trading platform, which is my suggestion is to take the recommended, which is going to be the MetaTrader 5. You can also choose an account type, but I'm gonna stick with the standard. And of course, you can choose an account currency. In my case, I am going to be using USD, but if you have a preferred currency, that's okay. And you can also choose the leverage. Right now, this is going to be the amount that I'm going to start with, and you can choose the account balance. And once you've done that, click the submit button. After that, you should be able to successfully create a demo trading account here in PO Prime. And if you want to change the balance or reset the balance, there's going to be like a pencil icon where you can do that. And basically that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.